6 steps to wellness. There are 6 interferences to your health. Overcome those 6 interferences and they become the 6 steps to wellness. These steps get to the cause of your discomfort and health problems. Let's examine each of these steps. The steps are allergies and sensitivities, nutrition, electrical pollution, structure, toxins, and emotions. So these are the 6 steps to wellness, the way to get to the cause of your healthcare problems. We shape these like puzzle pieces because everyone is their own unique puzzle. There's no one-size-fits-all, no cookie-cutter recipe. There can be similarities in conditions, but each individual is unique. We identify your unique needs to find and fix your interferences. Let's examine each of the 6 steps. The first one we're going to look at is allergies and sensitivities. In the allergy and sensitivity step, we have unparalleled technology that we can fix an allergy or a sensitivity in a visit or two by using digital signals that simulate a substance, and then use positive conditioning that re-educates the body and reprograms the body so that the next time the body comes in contact with that substance or a stimuli or an organ, it does not react negatively to it. We do complementary demonstrations to show you this procedure. Nutrition. To identify your nutritional needs, we do a total health scan. We check the strength of a muscle as we touch reflex points that refer to organ systems. If the muscle is strong, it tells us there's adequate nutrition to that organ system. If the muscle goes weak, it tells us that that organ system is not being fed. Organs function on nutrition. They are not lacking a drug. You must eat. If you don't eat, what happens to you? You die. You have to eat. So your organs get the nutrients that they need. Certain organs need specific nutrients to work and function correctly. We know what organs need what nutrients. If an organ is weak, we check to see what the organ needs to make it function correctly again. Then you will take that natural medication for 4 weeks and we will retest and see what we have fixed and what still needs to be fixed. Because we are giving the body what it needs and not covering up a symptom, it is not something you have to take forever. You will get done with it. Each organ has certain things that it does and handles for the body. For example, the adrenal glands are small glands above the kidney. These glands get beat up by stress. Their purpose is to put out a burst of adrenaline when you have stress. For example, if you would cross a bear in the woods, a burst of adrenaline would be great so you could fight really hard or run really fast. Unfortunately, in the world we live in today, many times with the level of stress we have, we don't allow our adrenal glands to shut down to rest and repair. Basically, if you are living on this planet, you have stress. So then your adrenal glands go into fatigue or exhaustion. When this happens, some of the symptoms that may appear are sinus and allergy problems, hormone problems, joint instability, adjustments don't seem to stabilize for you, sleep problems, fatigue, or going from a seated to a standing position and getting blackness and dizziness in front of your eyes. These are all possible problems of weak adrenals. Also, many times, if you have sinus or allergy problems, you may have underlying infections. You may not have an acute infection, so you may not have any awareness that you have these issues. With this scan, we check for 5 underlying infections: yeast, virus, strep, staph, and parasites. Then we check all organ systems with this scan, which include the following: liver, gallbladder, leaky gut, stomach, cortisol, heart, thyroid, parathyroid, spleen, pancreas, pituitary, brain, lungs, and colon. If there are any nutritional problems, we find out exactly what is needed to give that system what it needs to work and function properly. Then, like I've mentioned before, you take the natural medication for the 4 weeks, and then we retest and see what we've gotten fixed and what still needs more help. Electrical pollution. Everything is energy. Every cell in your body has a frequency that it vibrates at. Cell phones, microwaves, and computers all have frequencies as well. Those frequencies beat your frequencies up and knock them out of whack. When that happens, the cell gets sick. So we will check this for you when we check the total health scan. The best solutions we have for this is simple and easy to do. Wear this magnet on you during the day and get an R2L, which stands for radiation to light, for your phone. Structure. The nervous system controls everything in the body, every cell, every tissue, and every organ. When vertebrae get out of position, they can put pressure on the nerves. When that happens, something in the body is going to hurt, or an organ will not function properly. You do not need to have pain to have misalignments of the spine. You have to have a 60% loss before a symptom shows up. What we do about this is we check the structure to see if there is misalignment, and if so, we move the vertebrae off the nerves so that once again, the brain is able to use the pathway to send information to all body parts, such as neck, back, arms, legs, heels, and organs such as stomach, lungs, kidney, colon, and heart. Toxins. There are toxins in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and any medications you may take. Toxins mess up the body. They mess up the pH. They allow viruses, bacteria, and cancer cells to grow. Toxins can do any number of negative things to the body. A powerful remedy is detox foot baths. We place your feet in a 30-minute ion bath that pulls the toxins from the body. Emotions and stress. Have you ever been told or heard of a doctor telling someone it's just stress, but they don't have a solution for that stress? Everyone has had some stressful emotional situations happen to them in life. Sometimes we hold on to those negative emotions. Certain emotions affect certain organ systems. Based on your symptoms, we can check these organs and see if they are indeed being affected by some negative emotions. If so, we do an emotional release. This is done with laser, color therapy, sound therapy, flower remedies. It is an energy release that releases negative energy, which allows the organ systems to heal. So these are the 6 steps to wellness, the way to get to the cause of your healthcare problems. We shape these like puzzle pieces because everyone is their own unique puzzle. There's no one-size-fits-all, no cookie-cutter recipe. There can be similarities in conditions, but each individual is unique. We identify your unique needs to find and fix your interferences. We analyze your health history and see if this is the right treatment for you. If Dr. Shubert thinks she can help you, she will let you know. If she doesn't think she can help you, she'll let you know that as well.